If your drywall surface looks all bumpy and uneven after patching, it's time to get those edges sanded and feathered like a pro so it blends in perfectly. Okay, so first off, you want to make sure your patch is completely dry before you even think about sanding. Grab some medium grit sandpaper to smooth out the rough spots, but don't go crazy or you'll mess up the patch. Then switch to fine grit sandpaper to feather the edges gently so it slowly slopes into the rest of the wall instead of having a sharp line. Use a sanding block or a sponge for better control and less dust flying everywhere. After sanding, wipe down the area with a damp cloth to get rid of all that dust because it can mess with the paint later. If you notice any low spots or cracks, slap on another thin layer of joint compound and repeat the sanding process once dry. Take your time here. Rushing means you'll see the patch after painting, and nobody wants that. Finally, prime the patched area before painting to seal everything and get that smooth, flawless finish. One of the biggest drywall patching mistakes is not sanding the edges properly, which leaves a noticeable bump or ridge. Fix this by feathering the edges with fine grit sandpaper until they blend seamlessly. Another common problem is skipping the primer step after patching. This makes your paint look blotchy or peel off quickly, so always apply a primer layer first. Lastly, many folks don't allow enough drying time between applying joint compound layers and sanding, leading to a crumbly surface or uneven texture. Just be patient and wait at least 24 hours before sanding or adding another coat. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trustworthy local contractors who really know their stuff for projects like drywall repair. Plus, it's great for contractors looking to connect with people who need their skills and want reliable work coming in.